Bird season start, my peeps. So we are going out in a style. You won't see that. Got them.
This is my final the parties that I will my grandpa did. My great-great-grandpa. Me did a little boy them time.
You must have the water boot there for them. Oh, you never know water boot. Guys. Hi. Mosquito 20, mosquito 22.
Jesus Christ. A good fire. A good fire.
What kind of hunting did you pan today?
Bird hunt.
They fat, do you know?
I want some. Very good answer. You see them big me?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, Paul.
Hey, them bird are big like hell. The peace, welcome back again to another epic adventure. Today we are doing one bird shoot. We are come out here. Stay tuned.
Again.
One ready.
One ready. One ready.
Aquaman.
What you saying him?
Aquaman.
Oh.
I wicked is shoot up and catapult.
I am. Okay.
Aquaman. You down there? You get one already?
You get one already?
Oh yeah, Aquaman no man see that. Yeah, did you man around my
Come boy.
I will cover them in the arena shoot.
Wow.
And
You biggie man? Hi.
Right, that's a metal shot in.
One shot.
Yeah, one shot. Right, check on. Yeah.
Let's say one job. One job.
Aquaman.
Yeah.
Aquaman.
Aquaman me call.
One job. See what
Them man have gun
get this steady.
like catapult.
Yeah.
Aquaman yesterday. Someone yesterday, Aquaman, I be head car to stick man dog.
Aquaman. To
Aquaman.
the world. Aquaman.
Buddies. Right now you're not trouble with the gun. Trouble with the video. Hey man, talk man, to be careful with the gun too far.
So yes, my peeps, the hunt is on.
Hunt is on. First one down. Yeah.
A first messy one. First messy one.
Nice. Yeah. Me. Them a big and chicken back.
Big chicken back. Alright, let's spy now. The shooters are out, my people. Where's he? I turn off the sun. First time through them bush, guys. Woo! Akeem, sewing up the big thing. You come here, look at drink, so I go drink, make it heavier. So guys, so we have some, what this a be? Sweet orange? No, sir, it's not orange, young orange, my peeps. Yeah man, no come up yet. No ripe yet. Some lovely yam here, my people. Yeah, green now. Nice.
Chevy Nation.
Please, fully outside. Yeah, man.
Fully on a high.
Bird in hand, my peeps. Yeah.
Pretty little bird. Pretty little. Yeah, man, see that? Got them, man. Got them. First one that. Want some ball plate now?
You get to me. Let me tell you some direction.
Bird season start, my peeps. So we are going out in a style. Ball plate, my alpha. Ball plate, Paloma. Or long tail, white wing. Long tail morning dove, the morning dove. Yeah, them my alpha. You know? Here's some wicked little that man. Here's some valleys, yeah. Stay tuned, my peeps.
You come over there and make it up. I just went through. Chris up so I look pure. You go over there? Again, come like you can't lift your foot in the pants.
If you want to put the button, I don't know. Jim, that's if you want to put the button.
Put him in there.
I know, but
I'm putting him there. You done?
I live in sometime like some book. I got him.
You heavy, eh?
Hakim, you don't see that?
Yeah. You go up and chew your peeps. I like them when they are doing like this. Move when they're right.
I never can go.
Oh God. Guys, mosquito shell me down. Yeah, it was one go over my peeps. Yeah. See there? Very hot area. Me am bring my bag.
Underneath him. Nearly, na? Nearly. He's going right underneath him.
Where you go find him?
Touch it. Touch it. I don't know.
Them big door man. Oh shit. Hunters them out, my peeps.
Yeah. Out fully. Mosquito in the bush, though. A slap.
They don't care about a guy. Vibes gone after one, my peeps. Mosquito deal with me, so. Gone. Guys, long time I see pimento, you know. Yeah, man. They might look like them so ready. So you can use the bush make tea. You can put in your pudding, you know. Pharmaceutical use it has. Yeah, man. From me picking me see pimento. Yeah, so me look it up. Look up on again, my peeps. Still going through, my peeps. Still going through. Still on the hunt. Yeah, I'm valuing my peeps and pimento. Walk. Yeah. There's a load up back in rifle. Then go look if you see it now.
Which part? I might be up on him top.
Oh, chip no reach it.
You right?
The party get just sick. Aim to me.
Lick him. You lick him.
Go search.
You lick him, man. Lick him right to the side, man. You take it on that. Finish it off in your head, clean. No, because you have to have this up. You lick him. You know for you. And that's them, man. You see them? When they fly through the boat, them still fly. Yo, you see, if you come right here, so, and that's why I'm not shot, you know.
But me check say yeah, aim to.
No, man. See, so me there, you know, I see him there, you know. You lick him, man. Right inside you go. But then, me not go aim for you aim.
Go on over there, no?
That's a thing.
Go over there.
Two shots better than one accused. Peeps, we still go through the bush. Even though it's kind of dark, we still go through. We have a fine couple of peeps, but no luck with them. But I tell you, so then there. Then there. We come late still. But stay true.
Ooh. Mosquito, my peeps. Mosquito 1, mosquito 2. Mosquito 20, mosquito 22. You guys look, we're in a wrong turn situation. Woo! Wrong turn gone wrong. Oh guys. I brought me nearly broke out. Oh Jesus. I'm a tired person. Hi Chip Chip.
Hello. I'm here, the best marksman.
Alright.
You don't see no bird yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Zero.
You don't see none yet.
You can see them. Guys, we take on a journey a while ago. It's a real long journey now. From me, I come down, me, I worry, which part me I go walk. Go back. Hoping that we did have an next road, but they must say we have to go back where we come from. That's not nice. Where we are go? Where we come? You must have the water boat there for you. Oh, you never know water boat.
Bad place, you see bad place, man.
Akim, I will come and we are going back. Huh?
No.
Because that was a hefty journey, no boy.
No,
If we don't have no choice. But
I don't know if they miss a couple well, but they must see me before me see them.
they must see before you see them. Guys, right now I don't have no pep in my step. B, the pep in my step gone. The pep in my step is gone. Them are built from 19. How long, you know, brother? Don't me peeps. This look like it make long time. How long this make, Akim? But you can't see it.
Chip band fine in the 40s.
You can't see it.
Yes, this I make fine in the 40s that I when my grandpa did. My great grandpa.
Oh.
But me did a little boy them a time.
Say now, say me find in there.
Not today. Because you see 2 nights I come and we want to black
The
them.
little fly them.
Yes. Alright, I came back for hunting.
Akim, where you go find a night? You have to see a night now?
It's one bird.
Look over this, my peeps. You come like with it. In the middle of the...
I don't know.
I wonder if no bag juice and juice will sell through them places. Ooh. Oh my God. This happened in the middle of the night. Hey, hey. In the middle of the night. Hey, hey. Yeah.
Go out there in nice coat.
That's that happened. Cyril, come buy one cheese chicks?
You know, say I get me go get that one, yeah.
Okay, I come buy cheese chicks?
Buy them. Two in buy, I give me one.
Really?
I cannot tell you woman say a cheese chick boss in a pass.
No cheap chick boss. She buy two, I give me one. Some must make case I eat it.
That thing no good.
Really?
Tell me case I eat it down now.
So how was the day, Akim?
It's good.
Guys are fine. Can we go in and swear? I walk till a week.
What?
Why?
I mean, cut me here a holla.
You see, say me talented, cause look here, I'm a last come here.
So you can put it.
I make it one. You know, immediately I look early, I know 1 dozen.
1 dozen. 1 dozen hour. Show him.
Don't show me, boy. Don't show him. Yeah. This day work. Yeah.
So when again?
I don't know when again. I have to tell me when again. Are you call the shots?
Are you late?
Yeah. Yeah.
Come here late, so.
Yeah.
So guys, we are made to the end of another video. So we're there for the Akim.
Like, subscribe, share.
Alright.
Yeah.
Leave in the comments.
Alright.
Yeah, man. I tell you if you like the show, cause you see next time, we can give you some bird. No jokes.
Alright.
Yeah.